Hello everyone. Today I'll present our work on using a citation index and synthetic quality measure to compare Wikipedia languages across selected topics. Wikipedia is a global brand, yet its over 300 language editions can tell very different stories. While readers of such developed language versions as English, German, French or Spanish more often can enjoy deep, well-referenced articles, speakers of many other languages may still face shallow stubs or outdated articles. This may also apply to content that is relevant to a specific language community. So, quantifying these gaps can be essential for targeted community efforts. Our study tackles this challenge by analyzing 55 language editions and 18 topical areas. We rank articles by incoming wiki links and then score their substantive quality through a normalized, multi-feature measure covering various important features. Let me walk you through how we generated the citation index that drives the rest of our analysis. We began by downloading the complete page links dumps for every one of the 55 Wikipedia editions in scope. Those dumps list every hyperlink from one Wikipedia page to another inside the same language version, across all languages that amounted to 6.6 billion individual link records. Next, we filtered those records and kept only links from the main namespace, that's namespace 0, the place where content of Wikipedia articles sits. So, links from talk pages, portals, categories, templates, or user sandboxes were discarded. After this cleaning step, we were left with near 4.1 billion incoming links. For every article, we simply counted those incoming links. Higher counts imply the article is more frequently cited by others in much the same way that academic papers accrue citations. Finally, because openness is key, we released the full per article citation table, tens of millions of rows on Hugging Face. Anyone can download it from the URL on the slide, reproduce our rankings, or build entirely new metrics on top of it. Now that we know which articles are prominent, we need to ask, how good are they really? For that, we rely on a synthetic quality measure we developed in earlier work. Think of it as a 5-pillar health check, each pillar grounded in something editors already monitor: article length, number of images, number of sections, number of references, and reference density. For every article we compute each pillar, then normalize it against the median value found among that language's own best-rated articles. Scores are capped at 100, and we average the 5 normalized metrics. There's one more twist: quality floor templates or maintenance banners. For example, if an article carries templates like citation needed or neutrality disputed, each one incurs a penalty in final assessment score, reflecting unaddressed quality issues. So, the result is a single score in a scale from 0 to 100 that is comparable across 55 languages, yet respectful of their internal norms. And, just like the citation index, the full per article quality dataset is openly available. You can download it from Kaggle at the URL on the slide and plug it straight into your own research. Once we had citation counts and quality scores, we still needed to sort millions of Wikipedia articles into coherent subject buckets. We do that through Wikidata because article titles vary wildly across languages, but the appropriate Wikidata item is unified. We deliberately capped the list at 18 to keep the charts legible, but the pipeline is generic. Adding other topics would simply mean extending the anchor item list and rerunning the query. First, let's consider the results from the top 10 analyses presented in the figure. English and German Wikipedia consistently exhibit the highest quality across nearly all topics, indicating a strong alignment between citation prominence and article comprehensiveness. English Wikipedia particularly excels in articles about cities, films, taxon, and human-related content. Languages such as Catalan, German, Spanish, Korean, and Chinese also demonstrate consistently higher scores across various categories, especially in topics like city, university, and events. The analysis suggests that, universally, the city category shows the highest average quality across most languages, followed by human and university, whereas categories such as video game, painting, and automobile typically score lower, indicating more limited international coverage or less prioritization. Results from the top 25 most cited articles showed that German, Spanish, and Chinese consistently maintain high-quality scores across multiple topics. English Wikipedia continues to lead, especially in categories like city, film, human, and university. In general, when comparing the top 25 to the top 10, average quality scores decreased slightly across several languages and topics. Finally, let's analyze results from the top 100 most cited articles. Overall, the highest quality scores are still predominantly observed in widely developed language editions such as English, German, Spanish, and Chinese, though quality tends to decrease when a larger set of articles is evaluated. English Wikipedia maintains strong leadership in numerous topics, particularly in city, human, and university, although some categories, like programming and painting, exhibit a notable drop in quality compared to the top 25. We also can observe some non-typical changes. For example, Arabic Wikipedia demonstrates significant fluctuations, with topics like event increasing progressively from 28 in the top 10 to 52 in the top 100. In future works, we plan to expand our scope to encompass a broader range of topical categories and an even larger set of language editions. We will also integrate additional metrics. Thank you for your attention.